Yo, ayisyen,
Yeah, but yeah.
ou pale kreol? Ki koto soti nan Haiti ya?
Yo, so yeah, but it's a super nice. Again, nice. Yeah. So just Creole or Creole. Not bully. Mobile. Yeah, nice. But I don't really see you. So, parle Creole depuis l'MT.
Hey, Jesus!